Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're in Hampton by Hilton in the West End of Edinburgh. And that is a total tongue twister, but that's where we are. We've just had one night stay and it's been pretty spot on. So join us, we'll show you around, we'll take you for breakfast, which we've just had. Stay tuned for that and we'll give you our thoughts along the way. So let's go. So we've just checked in here at the Hampton by Hilton in the West End of Edinburgh, and our first impression is it's a pretty cool room. I'll take you around in a wee second. I'll show you some of the features, but yeah, first impressions, the room's tidy, it's pretty modern, and yeah, take a closer look. I'll start things off over here in the entranceway. Now the flooring, it's all tiled up until you enter the main part of the room, but the first thing you'll see is a nice open wardrobe. In there is the bathroom, which we'll get to in a wee bit, but you've got your wardrobe here, plenty of coat hangers, you've got an ironing board and my hoodie hanging up, but yeah, here, that's what I was looking for. That's your hair dryer, wee luggage storage thing, and up above there's some spare bedding. I'm pretty sure that's pillows in there. I've not actually opened it, but yeah, giant mirror, and the bit you're all wanting to see is the room itself. Nice bed. Either side of the bed we do have these little bedside tables, tiny but they'll do. Plenty of sockets, little reading light, and on the other side, oh, bashed my bum off the wall there. We've got telephone and some storage. In the first one, oh, I thought I broke that there, but that's where you're going to find the safe. And these ones are just pull-out drawers, a nice soft close. Same wee reading light, and on the wall we've got some artwork. Now you might recognise him, famous landmark in Edinburgh. Don't rub his nose, it really annoys me when I see that. But yeah, some artwork on the wall and a wee desk area over in the corner. The bottles, they don't come with the room. Lamp, mirror, the flickering, that's just the camera. I've got it set on a weird frame rate and I'm no major into cameras, but that's apparently why it does that. Chair and this sofa. It's actually a sofa bed. When I did book this, there was two versions of the queen room that you could book. I think this is the queen room anyway, but there was one with a chair in the corner. That's the one I booked. And there's one with a sofa bed. We've checked in and they've gave us the one with a sofa bed. I'm no that fussed. Now, next up, we've got TV. It's nothing fancy. You've got your free view on there and some information about the hotel itself. And the best bit in every room, if you're familiar with our videos, you know what I call this wee station. It's the goodies. Plenty of milk, teas, coffees, sugar, sweetener, the works. Some stirrers. They've no actually gave you spoons, which I guess it saves the housekeeping a bit of work. Got some real mugs, a couple of glasses here, and you've got your kettle as well. There's this little footstool, and yeah, that's the main part of the room. Oh, and just before I forget it as well, over here you do have your controls for the aircon, which is situated up above. Next up though, I'll show you that bathroom. And just in here, we've got the bathroom. First thing you're going to spot is the massive sink area and the random bath mat stuck there. That's there because Tash has just used it. You can see the shower's pretty wet. I'll get to that in a wee second though, but we've got the bath mat sat there. Nice sink area, plenty of space there. Mirror up above, it's lit up pretty well. We've got some free hand soap and body lotion, I've used them and they're superb, really good, especially that they're free. However, I'll get to this. You'll notice there is shampoo, conditioner and body wash. Now, Tash has just used the shower and the conditioner, it looks like there's stuff in there, but for some reason the pump wasn't working. So when we checked below, that you can see there is black mould. Now, I don't know if that's something the cleaners missed, but it is pretty minging and it looks kind of clogged up, so that explains why it wasn't working. Now the next thing I'm going to point out in here is, well, you've got your controls there, but the step into the shower is massive. Now if you are elderly or you struggled, maybe your mobility is pretty limited, that's a pretty big step. And there's no handrail or anything like that. Now, in their defence, you could probably say, oh, it's not an accessible room or it's not an accessible shower. But that is a big step. And also, I don't know what that is. There's a random little bar going across there. Maybe it's for, I thought maybe it's for putting your feet up to help you get to places you can't really reach. But yeah, there's a random bar in the shower too, and I don't think it's a seat. Who knows? Comment down below if you have a clue what that is. Let us know. Now another thing I want to discuss as well is these. Does anyone actually reuse their towels in their room, or are you like me, when you come to a hotel for multiple days, you're paying the price, you want fresh towels. Maybe you're a wee bit conscious of the environment, but it's just not something that I usually do. I usually just like fresh towels in the room. But they do give you plenty of those. We've used those. However, this wee unit here, you get your towels in it. Quite quirky, cool little shape. Some tissues up above, and we've got a toilet here in the corner. Flush controls, sanitary bags, plenty of toilet roll, said that really strange. Yeah, there's plenty of that, and there is a wee bin below. So overall, it's a pretty good bathroom. It's pretty clean, and well, besides the conditioner, I don't know what's up with that, but yeah, it's a thumbs up from us overall. The shower, according to Tash anyway, I've not tried it yet, but she did say the shower is powerful and it does the job. So I've just watched back that footage of the bathroom that I showed you, and I've realised that when I've said that step is big, it doesn't really translate to the camera very well. Now I've got this bottle of water here, Sainsbury's ones, they're cracking by the way, as a wee comparison. So I'll take you in and I'll show you. Honestly, when you see it, it's quite big. I know I said that a few times now, but look at this. Now that is the bottle for size comparison. This is a 1 litre bottle, and that's the size of the step. I'm not exaggerating, it's massive. Good morning. We've slept well, we've just woke up and it is very, very early. However, included in our stay here is breakfast, and it starts at the early time of 6 AM. Currently, I think it's about 5 to, so we're heading down nice and early whilst it's hopefully still quiet, and we're going to show you what it's like down there. So let's go check it out. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, but that looks banging. They've even got haggis, which I do actually like on a breakfast, and plenty of teas and coffees. So I've opted for the white coffee and a wee fresh orange. We've sat over in the corner, so we're not shoving a camera down anyone's throat, but over there is a massive drink section, so it's right next to us. Perfect. I'm going to get tucked in though. As you can see, Tash is already getting tucked in, and I'll let you know how it is. And there we have it, guys. That was breakfast, and that's a thumbs up from us. Plenty of options, cannot complain whatsoever. But unfortunately, that's going to bring us, oh, it's making a weird noise, the aircon. But before I get distracted, yeah, that's going to bring us to the end of today's vlog. I hope you've enjoyed what we've shown you. If you like Hilton hotels or the Hampton by Hilton, then make sure you subscribe, because in a few weeks we're going back to the Blackpool one. We've stayed before, but in a different room type, so scroll back the videos, you'll find it somewhere. But yeah, we're going to be going back to the Blackpool one, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you're clicked down below, click subscribe. You can do it on a TV as well. Click the wee up arrow and it should pop up somewhere. Click subscribe, do it on your phone, whatever you want. Follow us on social media. Stay tuned with all the behind the scenes. Not that we're got loads of that, but yeah, we've got Insta, Twitter. It's all down in the description. But thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one. See you later.